Welcome to oral learning. In previous classes, we have followed by different rules of subject-verb agreement. In today's classes, we have to discuss another some rules. Look at these rules. If the subject of a sentence is a clause, the verb is singular. Look at this sentence. That she is alive is good news. Here, subject is that she is alive. That she is alive is subject, and the subject is a noun clause. If the subject of a sentence is a clause, noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause, any type of clause, that means the verb becomes singular agreement. It is used. What he does these days, subject, what he does these days. So does is singular in form. Does is used. What is does these days, that is a clause. So we have noticed here, if the subject of a sentence is any type of clauses, that means singular agreement is needed for clauses. If two words linked in the subject, like by the connectivities with, as well as, in addition to, together with, the verb agrees with the first word. Look at this sentence. The teacher with all her students. If we see students, our verb agreement is have. Have is plural, has is singular. So students have, but here students, has is agreed, singular is agreed for a plural noun. Has is agreed for students. How this can? The teacher has, all the students have. Because if the connectives as well as, in addition to, together with, the verb has is agreed by the first word, the teacher has, not the students have. Then Ravi as well as his friends. Is as well as is used. This is the connective. This is the connective between Ravi and his friends. Ravi is singular, his friends is plural. If we see his friends are. If we see Ravi, Ravi is. But if as well as, in addition to, together with are used to connect to singular or plural nouns, that means verb agreement is accordingly done by the first noun. Ravi is, not his friends are. Population growth in addition to many other problems. Population growth, uncountable noun. Many other problems, plural noun. But agreement is, verb agreement is singular. Why? Population growth. In case of population growth, we have to use singular noun because growth is uncountable noun. Next, when the connectivities, not only but also neither nor, either or, and they differ from a number and a person, the verb agrees with the nearer subject. Not only the boy, but also his friends. If we see the boy, agreement, verb agreement is. If we see his friends, verb agreement is are. If not only but also, neither nor, either or, this type of connectivities are connected to singular or plural nouns, that means verb agreement is done to the nearer subject. Which one is the nearer subject? His friends or the boy? His friends. So we have to follow the second noun. His friends are. The boy or his friends. If we see the boy, it has can be used. If we see his friends, have can be used. So we use have. We use the verb agreement is accordingly the nearer subject of the verb. Look at this sentence. Neither the old man nor his sons. Old man is singular, his sons plural noun. So are prepared. is agreed to look at his sons. So we have here known that if the connectivity is not only but also neither nor, either or, for any different type of person or places or things, any type of noun, so the verb agreement is done accordingly the near subject and the noun used after but also. Next, some nouns that are made up to similar parts like scissors, trousers, spectacles. So we use plural noun. For scissors, trousers, spectacles, we use plural noun. But if any collective noun, a pair of is used, that means we use singular noun. The scissors are, but a pair of scissors is. My trousers have. If we write a pair of trousers, we use has, singular agreement. Then when an adjective is used as a noun, look at this sentence: the rich have a lot of responsibility towards poor. Here the word, the noun, the rich, all the rich men, it indicates all the rich men. So if an adjective represents the whole class, we use plural agreement. Have. Blind, all the blind persons. Here blind means all the blind persons, so that the blind need, a blind man needs, so need is plural. So if an adjective used to represent the whole, if the adjective represent to the whole class, that means we use singular agreement, plural agreement. When the adjective represent to the whole class, that is used by singular agreement. When a plural noun is a proper name, Gulliver's Travels, there are more collections on Gulliver's Travels. So that when a plural noun is a proper noun, proper name for some single objects, single collective units, singular verb agreement is used. The United States is a powerful country. Last one, the verb is a relative clause. When the verb is a relative clause, it is you who have. Why have is used? Because the relative pronoun is used for you. You have, so that who have? It is you who have wronged me. It is he, singular noun, he. He has, so who has? So that the verb in a relative clause is singular or plural depends upon the number of person.